Hey there, gamers. Are you ready to embark on an epic adventure with the Nintendo Switch OLED The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Edition? This limited edition console is a must-have for any true Zelda fan, and it's available now for purchase. The special design from The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom game makes this console a collector's item that you won't want to miss out on. With its stunning OLED display, you'll be fully immersed in the world of Hyrule like never before. And with the versatility of the Nintendo Switch, you can enjoy gaming at home or on the go. But that's not all. When you purchase this limited edition console, you'll also be supporting the gaming industry and the creators behind this iconic franchise. By investing in this unique piece of gaming history, you're showing your love and appreciation for the art of gaming. Now, I know what you're thinking, but why should I purchase this from this specific link? Well, let me tell you. By purchasing through this link, you'll be getting access to the best deals and package combinations available. Plus, our store provides a 12-month warranty service, ensuring that you'll have peace of mind with your purchase. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of gaming history with the Nintendo Switch OLED The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Edition. Click the link in the description and make your purchase today. Happy gaming, everyone.